Good morning. Today we are going to start reading of chapter number 7, More on Scratch from page number 84, and we will discuss sensing block. These blocks are color coded light blue and are used to sense the keyboard input while executing the script. So sensing blocks are color coded blue, light blue, and these blocks are used to sense the keyboard input. जो आप कीबोर्ड से इनपुट देते हो उसको सेंस करने के लिए we use these blocks while executing the script. आपकी जब स्क्रिप्ट एग्जीक्यूट हो रही है तब दिस ब्लॉक सेंस द कीबोर्ड इनपुट, जो भी कीबोर्ड से इनपुट आते हैं उसको सेंस करता है. First is ask what's your name and wait. This block prompts the user to type input using the keyboard. So when you use this block in your script, then it will prompt the user to type input for using the keyboard. Touching mouse pointer. This block checks if the sprite is touching the mouse pointer, edge or another sprite. इन तीनों में से कोई भी आप चूज कर सकते हो from here drop down arrow. If the sprite is touching the selected object, जो भी आपने यहाँ पे object select किया, अगर जो sprite है उसको touch कर रहा है, then the block returns true, and if it is not, then it returns false. Touching color. This block checks whether its sprite is touching a specified color. If it is, the block returns true. जो भी कलर आपने यहाँ पे स्पेसिफाई किया है, अगर तो स्प्राइट उसको टच कर रहा है, then it returns true. Color. This is touching this. This block checks whether a color on its sprite is touching another color. If it is, the block returns true. So दिस ब्लॉक चेक्स वेदर दिस कलर ऑन इट्स स्प्राइट, जो स्प्राइट के ऊपर कलर है वो दूसरे कलर को टच कर रहा है या नहीं कर रहा है. अगर कर रहा है देन इट रिटर्न्स ट्रू. की स्पेस प्रेस्ड. द ब्लॉक चेक्स इफ द स्पेसिफाइड की इज प्रेस. जो भी की आप यहाँ पे मेंशन करोगे, अगर वो स्पेसिफाइड की प्रेस हुई है, इफ द की इज बीइंग प्रेस्ड द ब्लॉक रिटर्न्स ट्रू. अगर तो प्रेस हुई है देन इट रिटर्न्स ट्रू, एंड इफ इट इज नॉट देन इट रिटर्न्स फॉल्स. Note, to get a color in the touching color and color is touching color block, click on the block's color swatch to select it here. अगर आपने यहाँ पे कलर सेलेक्ट करना है, यहाँ पे आपको क्लिक करना पड़ेगा on the color swatch. Now click the mouse on the border of the sprite or on the desired color on the stage. The swatch will pick the color. इसके ऊपर क्लिक करने के बाद आप अपना माउस को बॉर्डर ऑफ द स्प्राइट पे लेके जा सकते हो और डिजायर्ड कलर, जो भी कलर आप लेना चाहते हो यहाँ पे उस पे लेके जाके क्लिक करोगे तो जो स्वैच है वो उस कलर को पिक कर लेगा. तो सबसे पहले आपको कलर स्वैच पे क्लिक करना पड़ेगा, सिलेक्ट करना पड़ेगा. उसके बाद आपको अपना माउस जो है वो बॉर्डर ऑफ द स्प्राइट और जो भी आप डिजायर्ड कलर स्टेज से लेके आना चाहते हो वहाँ पे उस स्वैच में उसके ऊपर आप अपना माउस लेके जाओ, देन दैट color will be picked by the swatch. This is the program that illustrates the use of sensing block. Start a new project and delete the cat sprite from the stage. Click on the choose sprite from the library button and add the Kai sprite from the people folder. Choose the appropriate costume Kai B for the sprite. Then select the stage thumbnail on the left and click on the choose backdrop from the library button. Import the school one background on the stage, and then you have to choose the stage thumbnail that is on the left and then click on the choose backdrop from the library button because you want to import the school one background on the stage. This is the school one background on the stage, and then you have to write this script in the script area. Create the script by dragging and placing the three blocks as shown in the figure 7.4. Sorry, 7.3. This is, here it is 7.3. Then click on green flag button. The message "Where should I go" gets displayed on the stage along with a text box. Type the answer in the text box. Press the enter key or click on the check mark present on the answer text box. The answer "To my friend's place" will be shown in the voice bubble on the stage for the specified number of seconds. This is the script green flag clicked, ask where should I go and then wait, and then say answer for 2 seconds. So this program is executed when you click on green flag, where should I go. Then this text box will be displayed where you have to type the answer. Here the answer is to my friend's place. वो कहाँ जा रहा है? अपनी friends के place पे. Then you have to say the answer for 2 seconds. You will say this answer for 2 seconds. Where should I go? Answer is to my friend's place. Then the answer is shown in the voice bubble for the specified number of seconds. How many number of seconds is mentioned here? 2. So that message will be displayed for 2 seconds. Operators block. These are green color coded blocks and are used to solve mathematical equations. So operator blocks are green color coded blocks and these are used to solve the mathematical equations. These blocks can be easily placed in the value box of any other block. You can place these blocks very easily in the value blocks of the other block. इस दूसरे block की value box में आप इसको easily place कर सकते हो. First block is addition block. This block adds 2 values and returns the result. Here is the first value, here we will write the second value and it will simply add 2 values. And this block subtracts the second value from the first one and then returns the result. Let's know more. Scratch 2.0 has 6 operator boolean blocks and 11 operator reporter blocks. So Scratch 2.0 version has 6 operator boolean blocks that are used to perform the mathematical operations and 11 operator reporter blocks. Let's know more. When a word is saved in a variable, it is called a string variable. So when you save a word in any variable, then that variable is known as a string variable. Let's know more. The join hello world block concatenates or joins the strings together and displays the results. For example, if hello and world are put in the block, then it will display hello world. So join hello world, this block will concatenate the strings together and displays the result. This block multiplies the 2 values and returns the result. This block divides the second value from the first one and then returns the result. Pick random 1 to 10. So this block will pick a random number within a specified range. जो भी range आप यहाँ पे specified करोगे उसमें से random number को ये pick कर लेगा. This block checks if the first value is less than the second value. And if it is less, then it will return true, else it will return false. This block will check if the first value is equal to the second value. If the values are equal, then the block returns true, else returns false. This block checks if the first value is greater than the second value. If the second value is less, then the block returns true, else it will return false. This program will illustrate the use of operator block. Let us perform calculations in a Scratch project. Open a new file in the Scratch window. Delete the default Calc sprite. Click on the Choose Sprite from the Library button and select the category Animals from the Sprite Library dialog box. From this category, you have to choose the Duck sprite and then click on OK. Next, you have to drag the blocks and change the text and numbers inside the block as shown in figure 7.5. in the script area आपको ये जो blocks हैं इसको script area में add करके script create करनी है and you have to change the text and values. Click on the green flag to run the script and observe the sprite calculating the given numbers. जब आप green flag पे click करोगे script run होगी and you will observe that the sprite will calculate the given values. Change the numbers and observe the sprite displaying the change in result. Firstly, say the answer of 1 plus 1 equals 2 for 2 seconds. Sprite is duck. Will say the answer of 1 plus 1 equals 2 for 2 seconds. And then say 1 plus 1. Answer is 2. So next time change the numbers and then observe that the sprite display change in results. Change the number 2 plus 1, then the sprite will say 3. These are the other blocks: subtraction, multiplication and divisions. You can change the block from addition to subtraction. You can use multiplication and division from the operators block category. Else coding will remain same, script will remain same. You have to only change the other blocks. You can use subtraction, multiplication and division block from the operators block category.